Things, parang we're staying indoors. So, I've been hanging out a lot with them and doing other things, meetings here and there. It's been a while na nakasama ko sila ng ganito katagal sa bahay. So, kakatuwa lang. Been cooking too! Book reco. Kayo mo? Book reco. I wanna read a new book, guys. The last book I read was Before the Coffee Gets Cold lang po. Wait, sci-fi books? Anong sci-fi books? Wala, plain lang siya ngayon. You know what? I cut it short na nga eh. Playan ko na. Tapos meron siyang blue stain na hindi ko maalis. Iniklian ko na yung nails ko niya. Huwag po kayo mag-gift. Please. But yeah,